This question is based on this verse number, I think 39, Huzur, Surah Yasin. And the verse is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم. So he says according to the translation is এবং সূর্য উহার গন্তব্যস্থানের দিকে দ্রুত বেগে ধাবমান রহিয়াছে, ইহা মহাপরাক্রমশালী সর্বজ্ঞ আল্লাহর নির্ধারিত নিয়ম. I will read the English translation for Huzur. This is Yasin.
एक और आयत है
जी,
पहली आयत का तर्जुमा समझ आ गया मुझे वाज़े अरबी में.
should I read the next? Yes sir.
What else are you saying?
Actually I'm asking to read the English translation. Okay.
No, I don't need.
Okay. The question is, he says, according to this verse, the sun is moving towards the direction, and the present this invention of or discovery of science proves that the sun is moving towards a point, and it's called, according to him, solar apex. So he says, could Huzur kindly throw light on this subject and the discovery of science?
The entire universe is moving, and sun is a part of it, so it's also moving, and that's called apex towards. That may be interpreted as al-mustaqar, but another meaning is that sun is not everlasting. It's moving to its end. Al-mustaqar is where the sun will actually be extinguished. So both interpretations are correct. Sun is not everlasting thing. It's going to be finished one day. Maybe a billion years ago, after, from now, or Allah knows better, but it's going to be finished. See, the point here, if the sun is moving alone, how could it be from the same distance from Earth all the time? So it's the Quranic, oratory, it's great oratory of the Quran, that it indicates that the whole universe is moving at the same pace. Sun along with its moon, along with Earth and everything, all of them are moving, not only sun. Because if only the sun was moving, the distances between sun and moon and Earth will be increased, and Allah knows where it will run away. And another thing to note is that the scientists previously believed that the universe they know of, a distance of 20 billion light years, that's the end all. That's all the universe there is. Now they have discovered that the whole universe is moving gradually and slowly to some place. And this cannot happen unless there is another universe about which the scientists have no idea what sort of universe that is, because there has to be mutual attraction. So because of this mutual attraction between this universe and that far away universe whose light has not even reached here, the sun along with this universe is moving towards it. See?